Here at Hansshow Installation Center in Southern California, getting a full body kit ABS carbon installed on a Tesla Model Y. So all the accessories and mods can be installed here at the Installation Center. This is the fog light, the air diffuser, we have the mirror covers, we have the door handle covers, all in carbon, and also the camera fender cover. They also have a aggressive spoiler that also can be mounted along the back here. Whether you have the performance or non-performance, we can remove the spoiler and install a more aggressive one to give a more present on the road. The spoiler, highly recommend taking it to the professional to install. We'll post a link in the description of this video where you can find the installation center and all these products. So this is how it looks like after the full installation, including the fender flares, also in carbon. Looks absolutely amazing, especially with this Quicksilver. This is for the Tesla Model Y, available for the Model 3, as well as the new Y and the new 3. Check out link in the description of this video.